How to replace an old supply stop valve. Welcome back. Let's get started. Hello there, I'm Frank with Easyflex, and today I'm going to show you how to replace an old supply stop or valve. The knobs on these valves can break off fairly easily because of the rust that builds up over time. On that note, Easyflex shutoff valves have brass stems, so they're built to last for a long time. Before we start, make sure the water main is shut off. The water main is the main water source into your home and is usually located somewhere in the front of the house. The job cannot be performed unless the water main is shut off. Once the water main is shut off, go to a faucet at the lowest point of your house, such as the downstairs bathroom, and turn on the water for a minute or so. For this video, we'll be replacing a compression by compression supply stop valve. As you can see here, there are many different types of connections for supply stop valves, so make sure the valve you're replacing is compression by compression, as in this video. Here is what you need: compression by compression Easyflex supply stop valve and 2 adjustable wrenches. Let's begin. Step 1. First, let's remove the old supply stop valve from the copper tube by securing the valve with a wrench, then loosening the compression nut with the other wrench. With a tubing cutter, cut the copper tube as close to the compression sleeve as possible, so you have ample room to attach the new supply stop valve. Step 2. Next, we're going to take the new compression nut and sleeve and slide it over the copper tube like this. Then, attach the supply stop valve and hand tighten it as much as possible. Using an adjustable wrench to hold the compression nut, tighten the valve with the other adjustable wrench until the seal is tight and firm. Step 3. For the final step, make sure the supply stop valve is closed and turn the water main on and check for leaks. If there is a leak, slowly tighten the valve with a wrench while the nut is held in place with the other one. Tighten until the leak stops. Here are some Easyflex tips to help you out. Tip 1. When using the tubing cutter, make sure it's as small and thin as possible so you can cut as close to the old compression sleeve as possible so you have ample room to slide in the new compression nut and sleeve. Tip 2. When purchasing a new shutoff valve, make sure it has a quarter-turn valve. These are made of less parts, so they tend to last long and are very reliable. I hope I was able to show you how to properly replace an old supply stop valve with a new Easyflex model. All the links to our products are in the video description below, and if you still have questions, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help. For more Easyflex videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.